Question. Record the following transactions in the cash book of Messrs. Aruba Traders. 2014 November 1st cash in hand 30,000. November 4 cash received from Gurmeet 12,000. November 8 insurance premium paid 6,000. November 13 purchased furniture 13,800. November 16 sold goods for cash 28,000. November 17 purchased goods from Mudit for cash 17,400. November 20 purchased stationery 1,100. November 24 cash paid to Rukmini 12,500. November 27 sold goods to Gopal for cash 18,200. November 28 purchased goods on credit 10,000. November 30 paid monthly rent 2,500. Then November 30 again on same date paid salary 3,500, deposited into bank 8,000. Solution. A cash book is debited with opening balance of cash and cash receipts and credited with cash payments. Here opening balance of cash is given, which is rupees 30,000. Look at the debit side or receipt side of cash book. November 1st balance brought down, that is opening balance of cash rupees 30,000. Next, November 4 cash received from Gurmeet, that is a receipt of cash which is written on the debit side or receipt side rupees 12,000. Then November 8 insurance premium paid. Insurance premium paid, it is a payment. Payment of insurance is an expense or a payment which is credited to the payment side of cash book. Insurance 6,000. Next, purchased furniture. Purchased furniture means purchased furniture for cash. Purchase of furniture is a payment, so which is that is written on the credit side of cash book. Furniture 13,800. Then sold goods for cash. Sold goods and received cash. November 16 sold goods and received cash, which is written on the debit side or receipt side of the cash book as sales rupees 28,000. Then November 17 purchased goods from Mudit. Purchased goods from Mudit for cash. Purchase of goods for cash is a payment which is written on the credit side of cash book rupees 17,400. Next, purchased stationery. Purchased stationery for cash. That is also a payment which is written on the payment side. Then cash paid to Rukmini. Payment made to Rukmini is a payment which is written on the credit side. Next, sold goods. Sold goods to Gopal for cash. Sold goods and received cash. That is a receipt which is written on the debit side or receipt side of the cash book. November 27 sales 18,200. Next, purchased goods on credit rupees 10,000. Purchased goods on credit, which will not be recorded in a cash book because a cash book records only cash transactions, cash receipt and cash payments. Purchased goods on credit will not affect the cash book, so it will not be recorded in the cash book. Next, paid monthly rent 2,500. Paid monthly rent is a payment which is written on the credit side. Then November 30 paid salary, that is also a payment. Credit side 3,500. Next, deposited into bank. Cash deposited into bank. When we deposit cash into bank, Cash in hand of the business reduces. So it is treated as a payment which is recorded on the payment side of cash book as bank. 8,000. Next, balancing. Balancing figure in this case is 23,400 which is written as balance carried on. That is the closing balance of cash. Opening balance of cash is given in the question which is written on the debit side or receipt side of the cash book. Balance brought down 30,000 and balancing figure is 23,400. That is the closing balance of cash. That is the balancing figure. That is the closing balance of cash which is written as balance carried down 23,400.